morning, Quadcopter 101 here. Before we get started, let's get today's shout out of the way. Today's shout out goes to Praveen Sandro. Praveen was first to say first in one of my recent videos and thus wins this shout out, so congratulations. Good morning, Quadcopter 101 here with the second flight of the Mobula7. I like this drone a lot. Today's flight, notice where I'm at. I'm out here in the desert. Lots of open area here. I can fly just about any direction here and not worry about crashing into things other than those bushes here. And that's what I might be doing. I'm going to try to go low and fast through these bushes, zigzagging through these bushes at their height. I guess their height's about 2-3 feet max. So it should be a lot of fun is what I'm planning to do here. You know, a lot of zipping through the bushes. So hope you enjoy this flight. Just let's go do it. Hey, I like my shirt today, folks. Okay, let's go for a fly this thing. Notice I'm wearing my old VRD2 goggles. I ran over my FXT goggles, my beautiful FXT goggles, with my car. Don't ask me how, but it can happen, and it did happen. I'm going to purchase another pair. I'm going to actually buy a set. I love those goggles, and I want another set of those goggles. But let's start out here in acro, and it's windy today, a little bit breezy, but arming and adjusting on my head a bit so it's a little more comfortable, and take it to the air in this wind. It is breezy, folks. Let's see how this thing performs in the wind. It actually is performing in the wind, but again, like I said, what I want to do is this, slow and get some speed on it out here in the desert. Let's see if I can come down lower. Going by us, get some more speed. I love this little Mobula7. It is such a cool little racer, and it's a whoop. I can't believe it's a whoop. It doesn't fly like a whoop. It's hard to believe that this is a whoop that I'm flying. You know, it feels like you're flying a full size almost. See what I mean? It is such an awesome little machine, the Mobula7. Wonderful. Come back down. Let's come back down again. Like I said, I want to stay below the bushes if I can. Let's go around us. Oh wait, come around. My wife couldn't keep up with that one. Oh yeah. When I destroyed my FXT goggles, I was crying, folks. It was so sad. But again, I am going to purchase one. I'm not going to wait for them to send me another one from China. I'm going to get one on Amazon probably, so I can get it right away. Let's go up again. This thing's such an amazing machine. Whee! The Mobula7. This is the best micro FPV racer currently available, in my opinion. And it's not expensive at all either. It's an amazing little machine. Okay, that battery's getting weak. Yep. Coming back in. And I got another battery. I'm going to fly some more. This is so much fun. Hold on. I'll put another battery in. Okay, a second flight with the second set of batteries that I got here. By the way, I'm flying 2S, folks. I'm using 2 of the batteries that are provided with the standard package. And let's see, I'm in stabilized mode. I don't want to be stabilized. In acro and arming again. Let's go back up again with this fun little machine. I enjoy it. I enjoy this machine. Amazing little machine, the Mobula. Your little Mobula. This is something, you guys out there that have, you know, as a learn to fly FPV trainer, maybe, but this is going to be of interest to those of you that already are flying FPV. You're going to want this in your stable. You really are going to want this little one, the Mobula, because this is definitely a keeper for me. I would not get rid of this one. Keeping this one. This is not going to be a donation to Toys for Tots or anybody. It's just so enjoyable. It's a weird one, huh? Whee! They say in the Starburst commercial, I feel so alive. Takes guts. I'm trying weird things, weird gyrations that didn't work out the way I planned. But I'm starting to get low in power, so we're going to think about landing it here shortly. How much time did I get out of it? About 2 minutes, I guess. Zipping it like this. Okay, let's see if I can get some more time out of it before I get battery warning. Let's come down low and fast like I said I was supposed to be doing. Whee! Oh, I get some more time when I slow down. See how the power went up when I slowed down and wasn't pushing it as hard? But this is a fun little machine. Going slow and fast. Whoa! I just missed that branch. Whee! Okay, time to think about landing it. I'm going to slow it down a bit here. And we're going to call it quits. That's enough flying for today of this. No, I still got power. I still got power. Look at that, 3.2 volts. Okay. With that in mind, let's pick up the speed again. Zoom. Okay. Cut back, cut back. Ain't gonna cut back that time. I should have landed it the other time. Okay. Where did it land, my love?
We'll go straight.
Okay. So, the little Mobula7. Just another flight of this thing out here in the open desert. But again, this is really, really an enjoyable little plane, little micro FPV racer. If you don't have this in your stable, again, you're probably going to want this one. So, okay, hope you enjoyed that flight. This is Quadcopter 101, signing out. Hi, Quadcopter 101 here again. Hey, if you want to get your own shout out in one of my future videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's real simple. Just go to my channel page and click on that subscribe. And also make sure to click that bell button right next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I release a brand new video immediately and give you a chance to get that first shout out. So give it a try, folks.